Okay, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay, welcome to my presentation. Okay, today I would like to talk about the honeymoon package for visiting Turkey 2020. Okay, so it started from 7699 all in, which means that your flight ticket, your hotel, and also your another accommodation like foods, and also we will provide you special things, that is candlelight dinner. Okay, why I choose this honeymoon package? Because I would like to highlight at Gulhana Park, or known as Rose House Park. Okay, first of all, okay, I would like to talk simple about the history of Gulhani Park. Okay, it was on the ground of the Tokapi Palace. Okay, it was the oldest and the most expensive public park in Istanbul. Okay, then it was the place where Edith of Gulhane, 1839, Turki Tanzimat Permani or Gulhe had a senate. Okay, was established. Okay, so Gulhane Park was one of the park that outside in the Tokapi Palace. Okay, around the Tokapi Palace, there are also some park that being used by the what we call it the Sultan. Okay, so next, several several part of the park was planned to be a part of official was opened in 1912, which means that this park, Gulhane Park, was officially opened to public in 1912. Okay, why I choose this park? Okay, uh, as a highlight for the honeymoon package. Okay, firstly, because of the place is very nice, where lots of types of flowers were being planted, such as roses, tulips, daisy, lily, and the highlight one will be roses. Okay, so why? Because this park is really meant for the honeymoon or newly married couple. Okay, first, because of the place is very nice, very beautiful. Okay, secondly, we also provide a special photographer to have a photography session for those who who take this honeymoon package. Okay, 7699 RM7699 was including all those accommodation, and also the best part is we will take you a special photography session. Okay, so all in that will be included in the package, as and also not for the newly couple only, for those or children who wanted to board this package and make it as presents to their parents. Also, we will from the provide guidance from the first from the KLIA and to the uh, Turkey until going back to Malaysia back. Okay, so the flight will be used was Turkish airline or other similar flight uh, flight. Okay, so uh, what would like to highlight. Okay, Turkey is mainly a Islamic country. Okay, basically we can see that the Islamic practice was highly used in Turkey, and you will not having hardness to search for halal food, halal places, and back then, Turkey was a history places where you can put all your put all your some things that burden you in leisure, such as working or something. Just go and having fun at Turkey. Okay. Then if you wanted to have the package, okay, so please call us on 019-613-9956. Okay, this is our tagline. Your vacation, our priority. So anything you regarding this package, just WhatsApp us or just call this number 24/7. Okay, just look at the poster. You will miss with the pictures. Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.